If you're not making a minimum of $10,000 profit on your online store and you're noticing people are coming to your website but are not buying, I'm going to show you a way to diagnose the problem. Let's go. What you want to do is you want to go to the Shopify App Store and get the app Lucky Orange. This is a heat map app. So what that means, it's going to allow you to see what people are doing on your online store when they come to your store. It's going to allow you to see where they're clicking, where they're dropping off, and why your conversion rate is really low. Once you get the app and start diagnosing the potential problem on why people are not buying your products on your online store, you want to start changing things and fixing where people are having issues. For example, if they're not clicking the add to cart button, it could be your price, it could be your images, it could be your product description. Make sure you only change one thing at a time and then retest again. And then if that doesn't work, start changing other metrics until you get it perfect and people are starting to buy your products online. So stop wasting time. Go make that money online, baby. Let's go.